All right,
Thank
let's
you.
take another group real quick. Thank you so much, sir. All right, I know Rotimi was trying to unmute himself. Can you try to raise your hands now so I can see you, please, Rotimi? Or anybody else presenting in other group? Okay, let's take, go ahead, Juliet. Go ahead, Juliet.
Good evening, everyone. So I'm representing Team Blue, and I'll share my screen. So, yeah,
Are you sharing now? Okay, now we see it. It's coming up.
in my screen.
Yeah, it's coming up.
Okay. So we conducted the assessment for DPIA using the CMMI framework across different domains to evaluate the maturity level regarding data privacy and protection practices. And so here is our findings for the assessment that was conducted. And we have like the average score, data collection, processing. This like average score was 2.0. We observe
Okay.
insufficiency mechanism to
What is
ensure.
the aggregate of the whole score
So we had an
overall?
aggregate of three. Sorry,
Check it in the executive summary. I'm sure you stated it there.
um, that was 2.70, the
2.7.
overall
Okay.
score.
Can we jump
Yeah.
to the action plan? Let me see your top
So our
two.
action plan, we had the data collection and processing. We had the critical. We have it at critical risk, and the level of
Okay.
difficulty is high. So we have the implementation mitigation step to implement purpose-based data collection controls and validation data
Okay.
necessity. We also have privacy risk identification, which we recognize this as also high risk,
Hi.
and level of difficulty is medium.
Okay.
We also have the risk assessment, which is high risk and medium level of difficulty. So the mitigation step is to formalize risk assessment procedure and align them with industry best practices.
Okay.
And the rest we have medium, which are medium
Got it.
risk level, documentation and reporting and ongoing monitoring and review at the medium risk level. And here we have the difficulty is high, the ongoing monitoring. So they need to establish like metrics and a dashboard for DPIA ongoing review and effectiveness. And so we have
All
the
right.
bar chart that we also included here, and just to give you an overview of
Got it.
assessment.
Okay. Awesome. Okay. Thank you so much, Juliet.
Thank
All
you.
right. Rotimi, you want to give it a shot? Let's go, Rotimi.
All right, thank you. So my name is Rotimi, representing Team Red. We're presenting can you see my screen?
It's coming up. Yes, now I see it.
So this is the DPIA Data Protection Impact Assessment report. The executive summary, the maturity score for the assessment was 3.10, indicating a defined level of privacy practices. While some areas demonstrate strong maturity, scoring 4.0, critical gaps exist in data collection, privacy risk indication, and mitigation strategies that scored 2.0. The assessment identified 3 high-risk areas requiring immediate attention, 3 medium-risk areas needing systematic improvement, and 4 low risk areas maintaining satisfactory performances. So this is the key findings. The strength, the documentation and reporting, we did some reviews. These are the major strengths, the 4.0 areas. And these are the action plans. High priority within 1 month to 3 months,
Yeah.
data collection and processing. Subcategories, data handling and procedures. Data minimization is the control, and this risk is high, and level of difficulty is also high as well. The mitigation step is implement data minimization policies and conduct regular data inventory audits.
Inventory. Okay.
And
Awesome.
then the other one we have is privacy risk identification. And this is also and it's a short-term execution priority. Establish systematic risk identification procedures and regular threat assessment. That's the mitigation step for this one.
Okay.
Also, we have those are the three main risk areas that we found in the assessment here.
Got it. Okay. I think that's great. So those high risk area naturally, especially the ones that we can implement quickly, the
Yes,
short term, those will be quick wins for us. All
that
right.
is
Awesome
correct.
job. Thank you, Rotimi. Thank you, sir. All right. Let's take Olu real quick and Olu Orange team. Pardon me if I don't get you. Okay. Yeah, I think I see you now. Go ahead, Olu.
All right. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is Ulu, and I'm presenting for the Orange team. Um, so this is the DPIA assessment report on my screen here. The executive
Yeah.
summary is up here. We're looking at a maturity score of about 3.10, and we have a snapshot representing visual reference and representation of the distribution of
Okay.
average scores up here. According to the report, our area of strength here looks into documentation and reporting, training and awareness, and integration of privacy frameworks. Opportunity areas based on the report, uh, data collection and processing, privacy risk identification, and mitigation strategies. So we have the mitigation action plan right here. We have
Okay.
about three I areas to look into, and the mitigation step is to develop and implement standard data collection procedures. That's in the area of data collection and processing. Addressing privacy risk and identification. The mitigation step is to deploy tools and methodologies to protect and identify
Yeah.
privacy risk.
Okay.
Um, and then mitigation strategies, we have to establish a comprehensive framework of mitigating identifiers. So those are our main high
Got it.
risk areas.
Okay. So at least those are, especially the ones that are short term fixes, building
Mhm.
policy, implementing procedures. Those are quick wins we can easily take care of. Okay. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Cool. All right. Thank you very much. Awesome job, Olu. Thank you.
Mhm. Thank you.
All right. Okay. So we'll wrap it up for tonight here. I know yellow team did not present, so you guys, make sure the next presentation you guys will be the first to do your thing. I know we have a question. Let me take this question. It's a popular one, and I'll quickly address it. So sometimes I get it, folks.